So I brought my action camera out here in order to try the actual better thing than the pumpkin spice latte, the pumpkin pie blizzard at Dairy Queen. All decked out. You're not gonna get my face, but believe it or not, this is actually better. Clearly. See if I can find it. Yeah. But this actually has chunks of don't know if you can see it or not, considering the quality of this, but there are actual chunks of pumpkin pie filling and graham crackers. This is better than just, you know. Not only that, why would you need coffee, especially on a hot day? It's like, it feels like 90 out here. I'm sweating like crazy. There you have it.